Whoa. So this is by far the most rain we've ever had here that I've seen. It is super flooded. Hey, duckies. Wow. It's like a huge pond back here. Hey, guys. It still seems dry over here. It's like just a little squishy, but no standing water until here. Oh my gosh. There's some standing water back here as well. Yeah, their coop is pretty flooded right now, so that needs to move. Wow. A little bit of standing water here. Move those branches. Looks like my drain might be clogged. So I'm gonna unplug it and see what happens. Yeah, it's just barely getting through here, so we'll see how the water moves. Clear this out a little bit, I bet. Oh boy. There it goes. I'm glad I came out and checked. Brr. Alright, now it's flowing. I'm gonna do the same thing here and clear this out a little bit. Definitely starting to flow. Yeah, the gate was literally stopping it from flowing. All these pine needles clogged it up. I don't want to open it all the way up because then the birds will get out. Blondie. I raked a little channel through the pine needles and it's flowing here now. I have a feeling that if things hadn't been clogged, this area maybe would have been dry. Because there's a bit of a mound here that it obviously got over while the drain wasn't working. I decided to check on the drains and this one's definitely not going anywhere. This one appears to also be clogged or just doesn't go anywhere. So those are useless. Forgot to show where it's coming from the street, and sure enough it's a nice little steady flow coming right through here. Alright, it's had some time to drain, and while the parts of the yard that didn't normally flood are still got standing water, the giant pond seems like it's in a much better situation. kind of more normal for whenever it rains at all. So yeah, just gonna have to make sure it doesn't get clogged.